Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can turn off replay on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Snapchat right over here, and then from over here let's create a snap, and then you're going to tap on this little time icon and make sure it has gone to 1 second. So your 1 second clip will be there, so even if they replay, there is not much they can see, right? And then if you go to the section of send to any of the person, so that is one way for you to do so. And then you're going to go back and abandon this for now. We're going to go to our chat section, right? Once you've tapped on the person, you're going to tap on the ID. You're going to tap on three dot given on top right corner, tap on this option of chat and notification setting, and then you're going to tap on this option of delete chat, and then you can see after viewing you're going to set that, so as soon as they view your chat without having a replay time, the chat will be removed and you're good to go. And the third option would be simply for you to upgrade to premium, which way you will find the option listed. You can tap on it and turn it on and turn it off according to your need. So that is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.